In the previous video, we talked about file handling, structures and functions in C, and we started our C programming project. So in this video, we will continue our last project and we will make our second function, which is the login function. So without any further delay, let's start it. Let's declare it first. So it's gonna be a void type, name login. Now the definition void login. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna ask the user to enter his username. Now we need to compare this username to the saved username, and for that we need to open the file. Let's declare a file pointer. Now we need to read our content from the file. To read a whole record or a structure, we need to use a function called fread function. Fread function is used to read content of the structure or a whole record from the file. It's similar to the fwrite function which we used previously. It also takes 4 inputs. So the first input is the variable of the structures in which we're gonna store our details or the whole record, and the second one is size of the structure. The size of the structure is count, and the third one is the how many records we want to read, so it is one, and the last one is the file pointer. Now we need to compare these two strings. If these strings are not equal, then we're gonna print. And in that case, we're gonna ask the user to enter his username again, and for that we need to use a goto statement. Now in the else part, we're gonna ask the user to enter his password. And again we're gonna take input in our function which we created previously. Now we need to compare these two strings, our login password and our saved password, in order to log in. And in the else part, we're going to show the details of the user. So first let's print welcome and the user ID. Now we need to close the file. So this is our login function. Okay, so now let's run this code. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This video is the part of our C project playlist. So make sure you check out that playlist also. And in the next part of this video we will create our remaining functions. So till then, take care. Bye bye.